Good morning, everyone. We are back at Knott's Berry Farm for our weekly visit and our weekly update. We're starting here at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel since that new preferred lot is opened on Grand Avenue. The first lot to open in the morning is south, which is next to the hotel. So the preferred lot, if you did not see our update last week, was the small lot next to the marketplace. It is now a preferred lot, so it is a $50 parking charge if you do not have parking on your season pass. And if you do and you want to upgrade and park there just a little bit closer, it is a $20 upcharge, but all the other lots are still open, so there's no change to your parking. But if you want that preferred spot, it's a little bit closer for $20, and I see there's already cars in there this morning. So a lot of people were upset about it, but clearly people are parking there. So we're here at the Knott's Hotel looking. Construction, the check-in is still in the old gift shop area. The breakfast is still being served over at Mrs. Knott's, and there is signage along the whole way, so if you're unfamiliar with the park or the area, you know exactly how to get over there. Some big news this week that we were unaware of: some ride closures, removals, and refurbishments in Camp Snoopy that we need to check out. Plus, Papa's Mexicanos is open. So let's head into the park and see what's new. Take a quick look here at the front of the hotel where the patio has been removed at the old Amber Waves. That'll reopen with a new name, new menu, once the construction is done in the lobby with a brand new patio. And the front check-in and drop-off has been relocated for the time being. Our first Camp Snoopy update is Woodstock's airmail has been walled off, and we believe it's down for refurbishment, but I've never seen them actually wall this off before for the refurbishment. So normally we don't peek through the fences, but you can literally see right on through. So that is the update right there. And right next to Woodstock's airmail is the location of what used to be Pumpkin Eater for Knott's Scary Farm, and of course this year is the 50th. And there is a new maze going in that has not been announced, but we see a lot of walls and some tall walls too, and I can hear voices back there, so I think they are working. My favorite area of Camp Snoopy is the water and rock formations. Hopefully these never come out. I love this. Other big news in Camp Snoopy is that the Timberline Twister roller coaster and the camp bus have been closed, and we are hearing from associates that they are going to be removed, I believe, to make way for a new attraction. And I know Timberline Twister, I was too tall to ride, so maybe they're going to put in another roller coaster that the whole family can ride together, would be my guess. And then the camp bus is coming out. And well, that's just kind of your standard off-the-shelf carnival ride. That was one that my mom would go on when she'd come with me. You know, as an adult, she would actually go on that. So I'm kind of sad to see that go, but hopefully there is something even greater in the future here. No update here at Montezuma. It's been sitting, as we've said, and as you know, it did not reopen with the new Fiesta Village, but it doesn't look like they've done anything in weeks over here. They did clean it up a little bit, but other than that, no movement at all on any kind of new tracking or ride systems or anything here. There had been rumor online that the Ferris wheel was closed, but it is open and it just went through a lengthy refurb, so I don't believe that's going anywhere. For some reason, it doesn't look like La Revolucion is open today. We did a video a couple weeks ago on all of the alebrijes with their names and their stories, and it looks like now there is a sign where you can scan the QR code and take an interactive photo with them. This one is Saltina. It appears that all of the alebrijes, or at least these two so far, have this interactive component. This is Cornelia, not to be confused with Cordelia. La Revolucion does appear to be down because there is like a cord or something hanging down, so that is not open, at least right now. Make sure to check out the entertainment here in Fiesta Village on this little side stage. We have the Storyteller, which the kids love, and then at night the Kai Celebration, and there are 3 stages. I think the best one is the one right in front of Jaguar because you get to see some projections and then the fireworks for that last show of the evening. While the Camp Snoopy closures were big news this week, the opening of Papa's Mexicanos is even bigger, especially for the pass holders that are looking forward to their fries on the dining plan. There's the menu, we'll zoom in on it. And this used to be the Cantina, but Cantina moved over to the new location, and La Papa Loca is now over here, which is Papa's Mexicanos. So here is the menu for Papas Mexicanos. You have your choice of shoestring, waffle, sweet potato, or is it yucca or yucca fries? Comment below, I don't know. So you can do carne asada, chicken tinga, carnitas, chili verde, elote, nacho fries, chili cheese fries, or the cotija, garlic butter cheese fries, and they have beer and sodas. And on the dining plan, you have the chicken tinga, the carnitas, the elote, the nacho, and the chili cheese. And I believe someone said the other day that you can do carne asada. It's a $2 upgrade, although it's not on the menu, but we'll confirm that. There are no hours listed, so we're assuming they open at 11 or 11:30, but it does not say. And they also have that Summer Nights tasting menu item, which is a lemon butter and garlic fries. I'm gonna have to yell over this copyrighted music, but work continues on the Fiesta Village sign. Scaffolding has gone up around the columns. Hopefully that's done within the next week or so. The sign looks really good. Still waiting on Accelerator, although Knott did tell the OC Register that it would be open this summer. But no visible change from last week. You know, when you're so broke from going to theme parks, you tell the train bandits not even to bother. We told them before they got on, don't even bother. But if you collect anything, give us some. And by the way, we're the only ones on the train. We have the whole car to ourselves. I think there's one guy on the open car and that's it. I don't know who's up front, but there was like 1 or 2 families getting on when we got on.
Neither, let's call the whole thing off.
We're in the Emporium in the marketplace where everything is 50 to 75% off minus a few brands, the Department 56, John Wayne, and Pendleton. Makes me wonder what they're going to do with the space if they're clearing everything out. Oh, I was actually looking for one of these. That is it from Knott's Berry Farm. Today is actually National Funnel Cake Day too. So what we didn't include in there, we went on the stagecoach to see the Camp Snoopy construction, then also the construction on the new maze for Knott's Berry Farm for the 50th. So we'll edit that in as I'm talking here. Also want to say hi to Carly again. We see her every week. Thank you for stopping us to say hello. And we saw Al over in Fiesta Village too. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. So we wrapped this video here in front of that new preferred lot, which appears to be full again. So people are definitely taking advantage of that upfront parking for $50, $20 add-on if you have a season pass with parking on it. If we missed an update, let us know down in the comments, but we thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for future updates and follow us on social media, including shorts here on YouTube and threads on Instagram. If I can figure out how it works, we'll post more, but you know, it takes a while to get used to new things when you get a little bit older. Thanks for watching. Bye. Shooting at the walls of heartache, bang, bang, I am the warrior.